Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate Double App on Samsung M35 device. Well, Double App enables you to use multiple accounts or profile within the same app. This can improve multitasking capabilities and efficiency by allowing you to access different accounts without logging in and out repeatedly. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the process, access please the settings menu on your device. Okay, next scroll down and select the Advanced Features option. So, within the Advanced Features menu, continue scrolling until you find the Double Messenger feature. Okay, upon selecting Double Messenger, you will see a list of applications that support the clone feature on your device. And from this list, choose the app you wish to clone. So, proceed by clicking on Install. And then, you will activate the following option or note for managing contacts. Okay, by utilizing the Double Messenger feature, you can create a separate instance of the second app, allowing you to use multiple accounts or profiles on the same device. This capability enhances convenience and efficiency for managing different accounts within supported applications. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate Double App on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.